Alright. So I'll go on YouTube. Don't know your boy OG. My channel used to name OG Production, but I changed it to OG TV, you see me? So I gotta start doing more comedy, more vlogs, music videos, you see me? Make sure to stay tuned on them something. You see me? Yeah. You can follow me on Instagram at YPre. So yeah, right now I'm there at Orlando, you see me? Halloween Horror Nights tonight. Not ready yet. Like, go get ready. Close the right or something. Everybody else I get ready. You see me? Then big house mansion thing. You see? So yeah, it's my first time going, so I'm really excited. So yeah, this is gonna be my first experience at Halloween Horror Nights. A vlog with you guys, you see me? YouTube. You followers, people that I watch. And I know, right now I'm gonna change and get ready. Cause we're kinda late, behind time. I don't know black people, Jamaican. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna change right now, you see me? Yeah, so peep the drip. You see me? Yeah. Yeah. Fresh, you see me? Fresh. So yeah. Halloween Horror Night, you see me? Don't know. I did start my vlog on Snapchat, so what I gotta do is at the beginning of this video I probably got show the Snapchat video them at the starting, so you can see where we are going before this video. So yeah. Or I'll probably just do another video. I don't know. But me ready. I don't know if everybody else ready. Is it me? I have one more thing. I need to go get my jacket, my Tiffin jacket. When we find out later what that means. Yeah, forward.
Alright, so yeah. This is the Airbnb. Is it? Kitchen. Laundry. This is the game room down here. Is it me? Yeah. Got Chico in the cut. My boy eating pizza, watching Black Panther. Fuck on this nigga. And then that's a pool out there, you feel me? Hold on. But yeah, we out here. I'm about to go upstairs, see what everybody's doing. And play music and shit. Oh, first victim. And we have Teddy.
Yo.
Why you? That's what you wearing?
Yeah, I'm wearing this, but I'm trying to wear something different.
Alright. Then they got a TV playing. We got this nigga here. Fuck on this nigga here. You know me? I wanna do naked. Boom boom feed viewers. This is the Harry Potter room.
That's your jacket, cuz.
Oh, my thief and jacket. Is it my thief and jacket? Hold on, man. Put down my jacket. Hold on. Alright. Yeah.
Oh, he's talking shit.
Oh my god.
Fuck you doing in the Harry Potter room, bro? What's up with you, bro? You don't see fucking Hufflepuff and Ravenclaw, Gryffindor, Slytherin?
Put on that nigga, dog. Yeah, who nasa? Nano niya uni yung mix film, but Roll up. You roll up. It's in the bathroom. I have a big broom. Ross. A good thing the camera never see that still. So you forward?
Yeah.
Alright. I don't know if I'm going to just name my fault. Yo, I'm going to just name my fault and thing.
Playlists, albums, and tracks anywhere, anytime. Upgrade to SoundCloud and get offline listening. Start your free trial today.
So yeah. Look like everybody almost ready. So I gotta be back. Consume some food. Oh, the pool. Let me go show you how the pool. Where that I go?
Crazy. That's crazy. The winds is blew it.
Blew it.
Wait,
So yeah. Right now we're waiting.
it's gonna be a long wait.
Like everybody get ready. So it can go. Feel me. So enjoy this smoke sesh. Yeah, which one should I spark first?
Just want to sell weed, use the money, make hits. You know the team, that's super, that's Chris. 30 pound, 2 for your OZ. Bad like, cartel in no tree. Bad man, keep a gun close me. Bad mind, move from round me. Me not take check, please listen closely. With a one gal, now play a boaty. She say lion can, all if you freeze time. It's either either, flip the kind. Ice pa me wrist just for blind bad mind. Me see when you call me just press decline. Miss a Garrett Beal, road running in the deal. Make them eat them birds, now them feel shame. See me in the streets, whole a lane. Summer all year, me run out of here.
Tell me bad man, see I need your love. See I need your love.
Hey, make sure y'all go watch my videos. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. I'm gonna start doing some public interviews, more comedy, a lot of shit. So drop below, let me know what you want to see. And if you like this video, make sure you like this video.
Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night, give me love for the night, girl, waste no time.
Them a sneak this, bust from a distance. Hold pa me wrist, you know me no response. Diamonds a dance, ravers ding dong. Lion can forever, I feel live long. One bad man me, go ahead. Have your girl on her knees, me a lead by your head. They are with a bad girl from homestead. She say lion can forever, all when she dead. Still a drop asleep with a gun on my bed. Keep give them a split, cause them now hold no meds. Most wanted, ratty bin set the trend. Popcorn vice, them
She
dead.
tell me bad man, see I need your love. See I need your love. Me need you close to me. Me tell her say me, oh stay on the road. Bad energy stay far away. Make
Boy, if you don't
far away. Just give me love for the night, give me love for the night, girl, waste no time. She tell me bad man, see I need your love. See I need your love. Me need you close to me. Me tell her say me, oh stay on the road. Bad energy stay far away. Make you stay far away. Just give me love for the night.
Yeah.
For the night, girl, waste no time.
It's your girl Nanny Johnny. Follow me.
Master Supreme, Lion Clan forever. At the Bantan, Chupa, yours truly. Favorite hustler. Brr, ba, ba. Heights of great man, rich and kept, were not attained by sudden flight. Meanwhile the companion slept, I was up and working in the night. 30 pound by the ounce, just use 30 pound by me ounce. And no boy can buy me out. No, anybody disappear hide me out. Two more store with tiling out. Italian furniture, no tiny couch. Look me own island like private out. Yeah, custom Rolls Royce, we drive it out. 30 pound by the ounce, I'm on a trail. On a trail. I can drop it off by your house and collect pay. I could have FedEx or UPS, ship it off next day. Speaking live from the shop where it all take place. 30 pound, 18 a piece. If you want a ounce, 200 a piece. When you was home, I was in the street. Chop phone ringing, I couldn't sleep. Stacking cheddar cheese, goals to achieve. Me just plant a tree, so who want a tree? Just give me 5 bills and get a quarter p. I'm talking high grade, it's in my artery. 30 pound by the ounce, I'm on a trail. I can drop it off by your house and collect pay. I could have FedEx or UPS, ship it off next day. Speaking live from the shop where it all take place. I'm a hustler, baby. I'm not a lover. Just book a ticket and call the grower. Me want 30 perp and 30 sour. Ready to get to work. 30 pound an hour. I came from the dirt and took a money shower. I came from the dirt and bloom like a flower. Put my life on the line and recover. Mama house beside mine, that's a twin tower. 30 pound by the ounce, I'm on a trail. I can drop it off by your house and collect pay. I put a FedEx or UPS, ship it off next day. Speaking live from the shop where it all take place. 30 pound by the ounce, just use 30 pound by me ounce. And no boy can buy me out. No, anybody disappear hide me out. Two more store with tiling out. Italian furniture, no tiny couch. Look me own island like private out. Yeah, custom Rolls Royce, we drive it out. 30 pound by the ounce, I'm on a trail. I can drop it off by your house and collect pay. I could have FedEx or UPS, ship it off next day. Speaking live from the shop where it all take place.
Right? It's kind of hot. It's hot as fuck. But it's gonna be nice.
Oh my god, that's it. Look on camera.
Yo. Mario, man doing job in the vlog. Yo. Conductor. Doorman.
You see I be a girl, man, I look fun.
Yeah?
Oh, sorry, I'm still out of fun. Sorry. All aboard.
All aboard? Shauna. What? Alright. Oh, I gotta say. Thank you. Oh, Janelle. I just ate
Conductor, I agree.
It was on the thing.
Anybody got a car charger?
No.
Those are nice.
Got you right now on time.
Look like a regular. Yeah. In the parking lot. to go walk and turn up. They done mad going up, right? What I say? Attractions down. How do you feel?
I feel excited.
Pretty stupid. You trying to go up. Alright, so I forgot my mic. So if the audio's bad, I'm sorry. And I forgot my light, so if it's kind of dark, I'm sorry. Next time I'll be prepared. Like I said, it's my first time. So, you ready for this?
Ready.
She's not ready. But, yeah. Why they did that? It's deep in this bitch. Fuck you turning around like that. Fuck you turning around like that. Alright, y'all boys. So we out to damn, I don't know.
Shit deep.
Shit deep.
I'm not when the kids over.
It's a Friday.
This shit.
What they was saying? I know you know that. I know you know
It was
that.
so loud, I couldn't hear.
I know you know that. You see. Alright, people, we're about to go down. Man, see, this is why I ain't want.
Change the scenery. You got
It's dark. You feel me? It got dark. I can't really see nothing. I know if I flip the camera, y'all can't see us because we all wearing black. So, yo, throwing that, yo. Yo, it not even start yet, dog. Nah.
Just want to sell weed, use the money, make hits. You know the team, that's super, that's Chris. 30 pound, 2 for your OZ. Bad like, cartel in no tree. Bad man, keep a gun close me. Bad mind, move from round me. Me no take check, please listen closely. With a one gal, now play a boaty. She's a lion cat.
It's New York City's hottest music. You make some noise for Fisher White. Yeah, hey, Fisher.
Alright, what's up guys? So yesterday at Halloween Horror Nights, I didn't get to vlog. Well, I did vlog, but I didn't get to vlog inside the houses that we went into because they didn't let us. So yeah. So I just kind of did a little Snapchat, you feel me? And I kind of just stopped vlogging anyways. But right now, new day, you feel me? Different things, more things. Today we're gonna go to K1 Speed, you feel me? Get a little go-kart racing going, play some games, you feel me? Right now I'm about to go get dressed, and then I'm about to go play Markley and pool. I'm about to go with that boy in pool, you feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna get dressed real quick, cause everybody else getting dressed, so I'll see y'all boys soon. So yeah, you gonna put on a little drip. Oh shit. Hey, glad. Is he? So I'm about to go with that boy in pool real quick before we head out. So, hey, y'all saw it here first, alright? Oh, I'm going first?
Yeah, good. You gotta get kind.
About to get that. Damn, that's right.
Look at it.
Damn, again?
Did it? Is it?
I don't even know.
Fair.
Alright, so
It's this side.
the table kind of leaning, so yeah, gotta fix that real quick. Hold up.
Heights of great man, rich and kept, were not attained by sudden flight. Meanwhile, the companion slept. I was up and working in the night. 30 pound by the ounce. Just use 30 pound by me ounce. And no boy can buy me out. No, anybody disappy hide me out. Two more store with highly now. Your Italian furniture, no tiny couch. Look me own island like private out. Yeah, custom Rolls Royce, we drive it out. 30 pound by the ounce, I'm on a trail. On a trail. I can drop it off by your house and collect pay. Collect pay. I could have FedEx or UPS, ship it off next day. Next day. Speaking live from the shop, where it all take place. 30 pound, 18 a piece. If you want a ounce, 200 a piece. When you was home, I was in the streets. Chop phone ringing, I couldn't sleep. Stacking cheddar cheese, goals to achieve. Me just plant a tree, so who want a tree? Just give me 5 bills and get a quarter p. I'm talking high grade, it's in my artery. 30 pound by the ounce, I'm on a trail. I can drop it off by your house and collect pay. I could have FedEx or UPS, ship it off next day. Speaking live from the shop, where it all take place. I'm a hustler, baby. I'm not a lover. Just book a ticket and call the grower. Me want 30 perp and 30 sour. Ready to get to work. 30 pound an hour. I came from the dirt and took a money shower. I came from the dirt and bloom like a flower. Put my life on the line and recover. Mama house beside mine, that's a twin tower. 30 pound by the ounce, I'm on a trail. I can drop it off by your house and collect pay. I could have FedEx or UPS, ship it off next day. Speaking live from the shop, where it all take place. 30 pound by the ounce. Just use 30 pound by me ounce. And no boy can buy me out. No, anybody disappy hide me out. Two more store with highly low. Italian furniture, no tiny couch. Look me own island like private out. Yeah, custom Rolls Royce, we drive it out. 30 pound by the ounce, I'm on a trail. I can drop it off by your house and collect pay. Collect pay. I could have FedEx or UPS. Ship it off next year. Next year. Speaking live from the chop where it all take place.
What do you call it?
Oh, when you hit a ball from the middle? Yeah. I love that.
Later.
Yeah.
That's how you do it. I just have to use that.
It's that time you Wow.
You missed?
I did it and up. Yeah,
So that's like how you do it.
that's your shot there? Yeah.
Well, then it's not here.
Are you sweating that much?
That's all I did. Oh, crap. BTS, yeah, all three. Take the other down. Alright.